You
Okay.
hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. You can hear me?
Okay, now I can hear you.
Yeah.
My distance, the volume was off.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me your valuable time and thank you for joining this meeting.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Nice
First of
meeting.
all, we shortly introduce of ourselves. My name is Monnu Nayem, and me and Shakil, we are teammate. We work together and we will provide digital marketing services worldwide on marketplace and out of marketplace. So basically, Shakil reach out to you on Fiverr. So can you please
Yes,
shortly introduce yourself and then we can talk about our work. No problem.
I will. I will definitely. Well, my name is Randy.
Okay. Great. Great.
I developed. Well, I live in the Netherlands.
Okay. Netherlands.
I
Wow.
live here for I think 36 years.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I
Okay.
developed. It's a little bit cold, so I'm all popped up, popped up with jackets.
Okay.
It's too cold now.
Okay. Okay.
You know. So I built a player salon. It took like almost 5 years for us to finish.
Okay. Great.
And actually, we're running behind time because we want to launch on the 14th on
Okay.
Friday
Uh,
in 2 days time.
okay. Okay. I understand that.
The So it's a little bit short time to do the art, but I still want to be hopeful to see if I can still make it.
Yeah.
It's an e-sport platform where people come to play tournaments.
Okay.
I don't offer the game myself. I just offer the platform where they come and meet each other, and
Okay.
then they will play with their console at home.
Okay. Great.
So what I need now is to connect my website Players Alone to Facebook so that we can do ads campaign.
Okay. Okay. Great. Yeah. So Facebook is the
Yes.
good like platform for getting leads, getting traffic, and getting sales on our website. So if you want, as a
Mm-hmm.
ad expert, as a digital marketer, we can help you to create your Facebook Business Manager account, and also we will create your Facebook Ads account and connect your pixel on your website. No problem. So can you please tell
Okay.
me what is your campaign goal for this work?
Well, my goal is to have as many people as possible to come and play.
Okay, okay, okay. I
Mm.
understand that. Okay.
Yes,
So,
I also have a Shopify shop.
yeah,
If
that's good.
you do this good for me, you can also be helping me with my Shopify shop. My
Yeah.
Shopify shop, my son is helping me with it, and
Okay,
he
okay.
doesn't have the time.
Okay.
So I might have two jobs for you. First of all, you do help me with the players alone, and if it's good, then we can be doing together. You be assisting me in my Shopify shop also.
Sure, sure. We believe that if you happy with our work, if you get good result, then we will work together in long time. So we also try our best for
I
giving
hope
the
so.
best result. If you
Yes,
see Shakil Fiverr
yes,
profile, then you can see all of good review, and also our all team member Fiverr profile is also good review. I am in level 2 seller on Fiverr.
yes,
Inshallah, upcoming top rated. So we
yes,
will provide these types of
yes.
good services. So inshallah, we can do
I
the
hope
better.
so. By
So
God's grace.
yeah,
By God's
we
grace.
we
I
can
hope
we
so.
can we can
Yes.
create all of everything. For this work we need some requirement. Can I shortly introduce these types of requirement, then we can jump on our next step. Okay, do you have Facebook account or not? You have Facebook account, personal?
I will show you when you finish. I will share my screen and show you my Facebook account and
Okay, okay,
everything.
sure, sure, great, great. So for run our campaign, we need Facebook Business Manager account. First of all, we need to Facebook account, then we need to create Facebook page. And when we will create our page, then we will create Facebook Business Manager account. Shakib do all of everything, and when our Business Manager account is done, then we will create a ad account for run our campaign. Okay, so all of everything to Shakil, and when our ad manager and our business manager is done, then we will run our campaign from our ad manager account. Okay, and you have also website, you want to list and you want to traffic on your website, am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
So when we will run our campaign, then many people visit our site, but if we will not set up our pixel, if we not set up our event setup, you cannot see all of your data, you cannot see all of everything. So
Yes.
when we will
Yes.
run our campaign, before we set up pixel and also the event setup like page view, add to cart, then like a purchase, then check out, these types of event we will set up for you, no problem. So for this work, first of all we need to see your Facebook profile, then we can do what is which is step perfect for you.
No problem. I will show you. I'll show you
Sure,
right
sure.
away.
Okay,
Let me share
thank you.
my screen. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what would also do you need to do domain verification also? Because in my Shopify we do
Okay.
domain verification, but I don't know. Do we need to domain verification here?
ওকে গিভ নিয়ে দিয়ে তারপর ওটা আস্তে আস্তে ম্যানেজ করা যাবে ঠিক আছে ওকে
হুম।
okay so yeah when you give access then we will check your Shopify also your Facebook ad account and business account. So first of all for this work we need to create a Facebook page and Facebook business manager account. For first we need to create these things and then we will jump another work. Okay, so yeah we can do this work for this work.
So you can do it today. Can you do that today?
Yeah,
To
sure,
create
of,
the bus-
of
business
course, of
Facebook
course, of
business
course.
account.
Sure, we, no
Okay.
problem, we can create today.
And you have to do something for me. My son told me when you're creating it, you have to invite another Facebook account on the Ask Manager in case we get blocked.
Oh, okay, I tell you these things. So not
Yes.
like if I will send you the access, then Facebook not block you. But if you active with your ad account and I am active with your ad account, like same time we will active, then many time Facebook see this is the others activity. So that's this is Facebook policy. So that our account is restrict these types of problem. But if you have restriction account, we can solve this problem. Okay, we'll solve.
Okay. But what he's saying is when you make the ad account, I will give you one or two Facebook accounts that you will invite. That
Okay.
you will invite to have full control in the ad account. Maybe in the future, maybe in 6 months, if we're doing ads and our ad account is blocked, then we can use the one that has full control to still continue.
Okay, so
Is that-
no problem. I can tell you these things. Like when you run your campaign from one account, then you can get many types of data. You can get many types of information. These things is most important for Facebook ads. Like when Facebook AI system is better understand which type of people we need, then we get the right result. We can get the right people. That is the marketing rules. So that I suggest you run your campaign from one account. Okay, all campaign from one account. If your account is restricted, then we have team member. This is the expert for solving this problem. We can solve your this account, no problem.
Okay.
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 No problem.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you do the business manager today.
Okay, we will start work today, no problem. First of all, you know Fiverr policy, these things. First of all, we will send you the customer for on Fiverr for payment. When you accept, then I will start our work, no problem.
Yes, yes.
So and also we will send you report
Okay.
every day. If you have any type of problem, you send me message, like you send Shakil message all of every time, because Shakil he is a full-time freelancer, so we will contact every time, no problem.
Okay.
Just
So you have to set up the business manager, not the campaign, but to set up everything for the campaign, do the pixel and everything. Oh, how much do I need to pay?
yeah.
From
So,
hearing you.
yeah. So you tell me for this work, you need to business manager account create, you need to create ad manager account and all of every ad setup. So for this work, you tell me how much you want for give me. You tell me anything, no problem.
You have to you have to make your offer. Let me see. I didn't even see your this thing. Give me an offer, then we can always discuss.
No problem. If you
If
want,
you ask me, I might give you a price that you don't like, you know. Let me see Shakir's let me see his
শাকির ভাই আপনার তো ফাইবারে গিগের
Yeah,
প্রাইস কম দেওয়া আছে, এখন কি
I'm,
করবেন
I'm on Fiverr now, checking him out a little bit.
শাকিব ভাই?
জি ভাই, ওইখানে আছে 200, মানে মান্থলি, বুঝতে পারছেন,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
এক মাসের জন্য। আর ওই যে উনি তো আর কি সবকিছু সেট আপ করবে না, ওই হিসাবে বললাম আর কি।
বুঝতে পারছি তো।
সবকিছু পিক্সেল থেকে শুরু করে A to Z।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আপনার গিগের মধ্যে
I see that your premium is 100 euro, right?
Yeah, 100 euro, that's mean
So that is including us setup, everything. Your premium.
Yeah.
Okay.
All everything set up and manage.
Set up and manage, that's your premium, 100
yes
euro.
yes by 100 euro দিছেন শাকিব ভাই?
হ্যাঁ,
And
ডলার আছে 100,
And you do
15
15
দিনের
days,
জন্য, 15 দিনের জন্য।
That's for 15 days, okay?
for 15 days.
Yes,
So,
for 15 days.
so should I take the premium for a start?
Yes, okay, no problem. For start we will
Yes,
start for
okay.
premium packages. Then if you happy, if you satisfied with our work, then we will create a custom offer for you, and we will work for monthly basis, no problem. And when we will work monthly basis,
Definitely,
we give you some
If
discount.
If you're able to do good, I want to have you always. You don't need to change the winning team, right?
Yeah, yes. So thank you so much. So when
Send me
you
the order. Send me order. I will approve it.
okay,
And
sure.
then how do we do? When I approve it, do we need to? We have to have a call again so that you can fix it.
Okay, no
Or how
problem.
do we work?
Like when Shakib send you the custom offer, and then you accept the custom offer, then Shakib send you all of every requirement, like which types of page name and location and all of everything Shakib send you. Then you send me, like send Shakib, okay, this requirement. Then Shakib create a page, create a business manager account, and also create ad account. And when all of everything is done, then send you some screenshot. Then if you need these types of meeting join again, then we will join these types of meeting again, and we will discuss about our ad setup, okay?
Okay, how do I give you? But I have to give you access to my business manager. So is it not good that after making the payment, then we'll have a meeting again? You can take control and create the business manager and take the access?
Yeah, sure, no problem. First of all, Shakib send you the offer, then you accept, then we will start our work, and I will join these types of meeting again, no problem.
Please, let's do that. Let's do that right away. So we'll have a meeting again like in 30 minutes. By then we'll finish everything. Is that okay?
Okay, no problem. So in 30 minutes, we will join again these types of meeting, okay?
We'll join again to do the business manager. So I will accept the payment right away. Go ahead and send
Okay, thank you so much for giving me your valuable time.
Okay.
So we hope work together in a long
You're
time.
welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Have a nice
Bye-bye.
day.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.